In this video, I'm going to talk about Tyler, who we will represent with subject 4. Tyler lives in an area where he encounters many slope changes during his run. First, I'm going to highlight a subset of conditions that covers the level ground and downhill portion of his run. If during this portion of his run, Tyler used a ground reaction force metric, such as the ground reaction force impulse, to indicate tibial force, he would find that increases in the ground reaction force impulse correspond to increases in the max tibial force and increases in the tibial impulse. Now, if we highlight the level ground and uphill portions of his run, we would find that decreases in the ground reaction force impulse correspond to increases in the tibial force metrics. Highlighting conditions across his entire run, it would be difficult to use the ground reaction force impulse to understand tibial force, because for a given ground reaction force impulse, it may correspond to about 6 body weights of max tibial force or 9 body weights of max tibial force. The main takeaway from this is that similar ground reaction force metrics may relate to very different tibial force estimates, making it an unreliable surrogate for tibial force or injury risk. Remember, increases in ground reaction force metrics do not necessarily indicate increases in tibial force.